So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Birla Tyre share. So we know that about Birla Tyres we have already discussed 1 month back when LIC has taken again 3.8% stake. So I have discussed the technicals and I have clearly discussed one important level in that particular video, that was the 50 EMA. So 50 EMA was the level that I have discussed. So today excellently it has obeyed that level and money flow index also has given confirmation and the stock has hit the upper circuit. So that is what is known as the power of level. So that is why I tell you to employ three important tools. So one is moving averages, second one is money flow index, are more than enough. Okay, so these two followed by what is the third? Confirmation. If you want you can use RSI, otherwise you can normally employ these two things into your trading charts. Okay, so when we discussed almost 1 month back, we have discussed all the technicals and also volume analysis. So 1 month back also, if we see the chart, so little bit of consolidation was seen. So flat movement was present in the stock. So it was trying to go up, but market condition has also not that much supported. So today again market has supported this particular stock. So definitely it has respected it and gone up. Okay, so that is why I tell, so watch the video till end. So today we'll again do the volume analysis and find out the next possible supports as well as resistances. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so if you see the volume analysis, so clearly you will understand. So volume analysis is very important. So third most important thing after the technical charts and indicators is the volume analysis. So ultimately the stock goes up or down depending upon the volume. If volume only is not there, how the movement will be present? So this is very important to understand, that how much volume is being generated on day-to-day basis. So if you see today's activity, that is 28 Jan 2021, so you can see the deliverable quantity. So blue color bars, clearly you can see dark blue are nothing but the deliverable quantities. So what can you see as compared to weekly? Is increment present or decrement present? So clearly you can see it has increased. Increased implies that more amount of shares are being added into demat account. So when more shares are being added, it's obviously implies that stock should go up. So that's why today it has hit the upper circuit. So combined delivery volume also, you can see it has crossed 6 months average. So 6 months average, you can see this. Okay, clearly you can see it has crossed this particular level of 6 months average. So that is very good thing. So what does it mean? It means that the support, so where it has taken the support is very crucial. Okay, so that particular support is very crucial. So if it is obeying that, then definitely you need to focus that particular level very clearly. So I'll discuss that level when we go to the technical charts. So now focus that the deliverable quantities have increased. Okay, so employ these things, do regular research, so then only invest. Okay, so next when we see the returns it has provided. So returns, if you see it has given almost 0.87% returns in 1 week. 1 month returns completely we can say negative, almost minus 13.15. 3 months 56% return, 6 months we can see 5.44. So flat returns, little bit of flat consolidation is seen. So the amount of up move that it generated has been nullified with the downtrend that it has generated. So little bit of consolidation, so slow downward movement, and again a retrieval, a support, and now it has started moving up. So what is the next resistance? So we'll discuss that as well. Okay, so next important thing is indicators. So what are the two indicators that we discuss? RSI and money flow index. So what RSI is telling? So RSI, you can see it is near 51.9. So what is 51.9? So generally whenever it goes 20 or 30 below, and whenever it goes 80 above, it is called 80 above is called overbought, and similarly 20 above, 20 below is called oversold. So whenever any stock goes to oversold, it implies that reversal happens. And same way whenever it goes 80 above, we know that pullback happens. So you need to be very cautious when you're investing at the regions of pullback, because if you invest in heavy amounts, then you will enter into loss. So whenever you're entering in oversold region, that is what is called perfect entry. So see, you can see money flow index 39.1. So double confirmation with technical charts as well as money flow index oversold, mid range, as well as combined delivery volume is increasing. So what else do you want as a confirmation? So generally you need to do this type of analysis, okay, that will be employed on regular basis. So if you do day to day practice, the stocks are investing, so if you do this analysis, then definitely you won't sell the stock, because you will have an idea, you will have a perception whether to hold the stock or whether to sell it. So that is what is the analysis that I employed and I am sharing with you. Okay, so now comes the most important thing, that is the technical charts. So what is the current price of Birla Tyre? So you can see currently it is near 29.05. Okay, and almost 4.87 positive movement was given today. Okay, so what is the level that we have discussed? 27.35. This was the level that we have discussed even 1 month back as well. Earlier also we have discussed. So where it has taken the support, so you can see little bit of momentum is generated. So see, 20, from 20 almost it has retraced. So that is what is called double confirmation. So what is the first confirmation? Moving averages. Second confirmation, money flow index. What else do you want? If you want third confirmation, you can do volume analysis. There also you will get the confirmation from where it has retraced. So many people don't trust this particular line, 50 EMA. So how to trust this 50 EMA, whether it will be respected or not? So back testing, do back testing. So whenever it has touched that particular level, how was the momentum? It has shooted, it has gone almost to 45-46 rupees region as well. So you can understand that 50 EMA for this particular stock is very beneficial. So it is respecting that. So few stocks don't respect. You need to choose another moving average where the data is been respected. So in this particular stock, this particular region level is being respected, then we should also understand that, and we need to enter at that particular level, which is 27.35. Okay, so you people also take it as a support market. Again, you want to watch it, definitely watch it around 27.35. So what are the ultimate targets? Ultimate targets would be 40-45, obviously, because those are the regions from where it has started reversing. Okay, so hope you're understanding. So understanding is very important. Okay, so these type of stocks you may get hundreds, mainly day to day basis. Many stocks go to oversold, they take the support, the volume increases, so they start moving up. Tata Motors, clearly I discussed in last video as well, almost 6 to 8% movement in 2 days. So you can expect that is what a analysis you need to employ. So if you do those, definitely you'll have the profit. So always remember, don't gamble in market. Don't always invest 20-30,000 all at a time and expect returns within single day or 2 days. So that is what is called without any perception, without idea, you're entering and expecting return. So that doesn't happen always. Okay, understand that and invest. Okay, further if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'm free to answer that. Until then, take care. Bye bye.